Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to episode 3 of Trailer Park Cuisine. I am your host, Ron Rudlong, and this is a very special and close to my heart kind of meal I'm about to make. Also, special shout out to that guy right there. Yeah, that's Justin LeClaire. Yeah, behold. A lot of people have mentioned this recipe, so enjoy. It starts with a Salisbury steak meal, and then some broccoli, and then followed by top ramen. So here we go. We add the water, and then we put the broccoli in. We got to open it. Here's our safety scissors. This is an important part of this episode. We cut very carefully with our safety scissors. Always be safe with your safety scissors. Yeah.
Try to stand ready.
Okay, we put the pieces in, and then they simmer for 15 minutes. Here's the ramen, also with the safety scissors. Now watch again. Carefully open them. Safety, safety, safety. Okay, the ramen into the water. Heat it up. There it is. There's the broccoli simmering. Here is the Salisbury steak meal. There's all the ingredients, including the apple dessert. You need to open the apple dessert before cooking, so carefully do that, like I'm doing with my safety scissors. Then put it in the microwave. There we go. The ramen is getting stirred and ready, looking delicious. This is a pat of butter. Here's the beef stuff for the ramen. We pour it over the butter. And then look at that. That's a brain monster. Brain monster. What do we do with brain monster? We hold brain monster up, and then we hang it over ramen ingredients, and then another ramen brain monster 2. Okay, then we stir everything in. Looking kind of gross, but it's gonna taste good. And then we put it all into a plate, and oh, brain! There's another brain monster. Looks like a brain. There we go. We use the fork, make it look almost edible. Ay, boy, broccoli is now tender. It's been 15 minutes. We cut it up into pieces and we pour it over the former brain monster ramen. Now our Salisbury steak meal is ready. So we cut up the Salisbury steak into little bits. There's the little bits. And then, no, you don't have to do this, but I love to put the corn in there too as an extra ingredient. And now the Salisbury steak has been cut, and there it is. It looks tasty and gross. I don't know. It's, yeah, noodles and broccoli and beef. I added corn, but watch me eat it. Yes, tasty it is. Not stop eating, could I? Cut out parts where it got really gross while I was eating. I did. Okay, how's it, Ron? Thumbs up. Boom. Done. I'm Justin LeClaire, and I'm outside a Hy-Vee, and I'm getting dressed. Leave me alone.
Donut points.